Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture on Unix programming. Today we are going to see the file attributes and the permissions. Here today we are going to discuss regarding the attributes of the files and how you are going to give the permissions to the file. So we have already used the ls command with a number of options. Like in the last video we have used the ls command with the -l options, which is going to display the detailed information about the file. So this option actually it is going to display most attributes of a files like its permission, size and the ownership details. So here first we are going to discuss the ls command, then we will move to the chmod command, then file permission changing command. So ls is the Linux shell command that lists directory contents of files and the directories. So these are the options which we are going to use with the ls command. First one is A option. So the A option in the Linux, it is going to display the hidden files. In a Linux, hidden files are starts with the dot symbol and they are not visible in the regular directory. So if you want to make a list of the hidden files which has been present in our current working directory, then we have to use the A option. Then the next is L option. It will show the list in the long list format. Then the third option is L and H. This command, it will show you the file sizes in the human readable form. Actually, whenever we are going to use the ls-l, even it is going to display the file size, but it cannot be in the readable format. So to display the file size in the human readable format, we are going to use the H option here. So size of the file is very difficult to read when displayed in the terms of bytes, but the H command will give you the data in terms of MB, GB or TB. Okay, then next option is D option or star and the /. This one it will be used to display only the subdirectories which are present in our current working directory. Then next is G is there. It might be a small letter or the capital red letter. With this, we can exclude the columns of group information and the owner information. Then next, N is there. It is used to print the group ID and the owner ID instead of their names. Then the sixth option is I option. This command prints the index number of files is in the first column. Then next P is there. It will be used to identify the directory easily by making the directories with the / line sign there. Then R is there. It will be used to print the list in reverse order. Then capital R is there. Even it will be used to display the content of the subdirectories. Then T is there. It will sort the list by displaying recently modified file at the top. Then tilde option is there. It is going to give the content of home directory. Then two dots and the / is there. It will be used to give the content of the parent directory. Then the version is there. If I want to find the version of the ls command, then I have to use the version. So just make a remember here. Whenever you want to use the version option, you have to give the double dash there. Okay. So now we will work on the ls command. What was the first option? That was A. So ls -a. See here ls -a. What it will do? It is going to display all the hidden files, and hidden files it will start with the dot symbol. So all dot symbol files will be displayed at the first. Then the next option is ls -l is there. It is going to display the details of the file in detail. We will see the description of this option in detail. See here, just I have executed the command ls minus l. Then what output I am going to get? I am going to get the output this one. Okay, so we will see the explanation of these fields. The first character, okay, here it is going to give the file type. Here it is going to describe the type of the file. Okay, that is our dash is there. So first character, it is going to specify the type of the file. If it is dash means it's a normal file. If it is D means that file is a directory. If it is yes means it's a socket file, and L it is going to indicate the link file there. Then the field one, that is our file permissions. So next 9 characters, they are going to specify the file permissions. The every 3 characters, they are going to specify the read, write and execute permissions for the user, that will be the root, and group and the others respectively. So here if you are going to consider the example, we can see that dash is there, then rw dash, then rw dash, then r dash dash is there. So it is going to indicate that the user is going to have the read write permission, then read write permission for the group has been given, and others are going to have only read permission. They don't have write and execute permissions. So if all 3 permissions are given to the root, group and the others, the format it is going to contain that rwx, rwx and the rwx. Then the second field is number of links. So second field, it is going to specify the number of links for that file. In this example, 1 is going to indicate that only 1 link to this file. Okay, then next is third field is owner. It is going to specify the who is the owner of that particular file. So in this example, file is owned by the username Maverick is there. Then the fourth field is group. It is going to indicate for which group the file is belongs to. Then the fifth will be the size. It is going to display the size in the bytes. Then field 6, that is last modified date and the time. Okay, so when you have opened that file, if you have done any modification, that last modified date and time will be displayed. Then the field 7th is the simple file name is there. So here we will see there, first dash is there, first 3 files are going to contain the first field will be the dash, means they are normal file. Then D is there, so it is going to indicate that these files are the directory. Then see the next 9 characters, the first file have the read write operations, and the other are going to have the read operation, and as well as group is going to have the read operation. Just see the directory permissions here, where directory the user is going to have the read, write and execute permission. Then the group are going to have the read and execute permission, and even others are going to have the read and execute permissions. Then the third field, what it is going to indicate? It is going to indicate the link there. So see here, first 3 files, it has been referred by a single user, whereas the directory, it will be linked to the other 2 files. Then who is the user here? The owner. The fourth field will be it is going to show the owner. So user will be the owner. Then next is for which group it is belongs to. It is belongs to user only. Then the size will be displayed, that will be in the form of bytes. Then next the timing, last modified time will be displayed, and at the end the file name will be displayed here. Okay, then see next option is ls minus lh. What we had told here, the LH, it is going to display the size in terms of KB and all. Okay, so as it is going to display. Then ls star / is there, which is going to display only the directories. It will be displayed in the directory format. Okay, subdirectories will be displayed. Then next ls - g is there. What it will do, it is going to exclude the group and owner column from while displaying the detail of the files. Then ls - n is there. It is going to display the group IDs. So instead of displaying the username and all thing, it is displaying the group ID. Then ls - li is there. It is going to display the index number. As we can see in the first column, the index number will be displayed there. Then next ls - p is there. Here it is going to display only the directories which has been present in your current working directory. Then ls - r is there. It is going to display the contents of working directory in a reverse order. So just you can see here, see at the last programming file has been displayed here in the previous case, but here the programming file has been displayed at the first, then second last patch 14 is there, but here at the second position patch 14 is there. So in the reverse order it is going to display. Then ls - capital R is there, which is going to display the contents of the current working directory in the directory format. Okay, so in the directory which all subdirectories or the files has been contained, even those things will be displayed here. ls - lt is there. So here it is going to display the contents of the working directory by sorting based on the recently modified field at the top. ls, then tilde option is there, which is going to display the home directory. Home directory contents will be displayed. Okay, so in the home directory these all files has been present, so these files will be displayed. Then ls 2 dot and the / is there, which will be displayed the content of the parent directory. Okay, then at the last version is there. So here it is going to display the version of your file.